Hi, my name is Khurram Khan. I run few restaurants in Pakistan by the name of Tuscany Courtyard. My hair got very weak like 4 years ago because I had lost about 30 to 35 kilos within the period of 1.5 years, and I wasn't taking any supplements for my hair. So I had a very bad hair fall, and 45 to 50% of my hair fell. So one of my very close friend, he suggested me to visit Dr. Mazhar at my hair clinic, and I think it's about 3.5, 4 years ago. I visited him, and there was also one more thing. I requested him. He wanted me to go all bald once and get it done with it once. But as per my job, and I am a very social person, I asked him. I can only do it in patches. So we did, I think, 6 to 7 sessions back then. There was a session every month, and he used to graft 600 to 800 hairs every month. He started off with my hairline because my hairline was very bad, and since then, I'm really happy. I used to use a lot of hair fiber topic on my head. That was the main cause and reason I went for the hair transplant, because whenever I couldn't walk by putting hair fiber on my head. I couldn't walk in the rain. I couldn't enter the buildings which had air curtains in it, and it was irritating me. So I went for once for all for the hair transplant, and it was a very good experience. And I highly recommend everyone to go and consult Dr. Mazhar at my hair clinic. In fact, my 8 to 9 friends, they also went for the same procedure with him, and they're very happy. It's been, I think, more than 1.5 years. My last friend went to him, and he's very happy.
I can assure you, in this session, I had almost zero pain. There was not even 1% pain. The environment is very hygienic. The staff is very friendly, and I would recommend you to visit my hair clinic for your best results. Thank you.